Welcome to the future of resort living, where design meets durability and nature meets comfort. Introducing Innox A-Frame Villas. With a bold, modern design, the black shingled exterior offers both elegance and resilience. These villas are perfect for any setting, seamlessly blending into environments from remote mountains to scenic beaches. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the warmth of luxurious pine wood interiors. The walls and floors, illuminated by natural light pouring in through large windows, create a cozy retreat that feels both modern and natural. The spacious loft bedroom offers a serene hideaway, bathed in soft light. The private balcony invites you to relax and take in stunning mountain views, making every stay unforgettable and truly special. With Innox's advanced steel structure, these A-frame villas are not only easy to install, but also durable. They adapt to any terrain, from rugged mountain slopes to coastal retreats, ensuring versatility. Designed to be both cost-effective and luxurious, Innox A-Frame Villas provide a premium experience at a fraction of the cost of traditional construction, offering unmatched design quality and efficiency.